here with my roommate, Sarah. We just got some coffee from a coffee shop called The Goat. We both got white chocolate lattes. And mine is hot and hers is iced. Yeah, even though it's like 88 degrees out. But today we're going to a sunflower maze, so we thought it would be a cool time to vlog that. So we're gonna go there and check it out. We don't really know like what it's all about or if it's like dumb or anything. So we're gonna go see what that's like and then do that. And then if it's not cool, figure out something else to do. We just arrived at the sunflower maze and it's literally a home. We're confused. There's some sunflowers over there, but we don't see any like. This is literally like a scary movie right now. We're gonna get kidnapped. So we tried to go to the sunflower maze. We drove all the way there, and it was just like a weird house, as you saw in the previous clip. And then we looked it up online after driving down their driveway and backing all the way up in their driveway because we couldn't turn around. And it closed on August like 28th or something, so clearly it's not open because it's September 15th. So now we're going to Target and probably TJ Maxx because there's nothing else to do here. So yeah. So we came to Target looking for nothing, and then we thought we should buy fruit because we were eating really unhealthy. And then we found all these clothes to try on, so I'm going to be trying on all of them. And yeah, we'll show you how it goes. Got back from Target and coffee, and I got two things after trying on like so many. The rest of this I don't really need, and I need to save money because I don't have a job. So I'll show you the things that I got. So first we have this purple blue like polo type shirt. It's like a crop top. It's so cute. And the other thing I got is this swim shirt, long sleeve, has this cute like tie in the back, and I'm gonna wear it as a real shirt and for swimming, and I think I can wear it to dance. So those are really cute. So for the rest of this day, I should probably study because like haven't done homework in a while, and I might clean my room because it's getting a little messy again, even though I cleaned it yesterday. And yeah, we'll see what else I do. Yeah, but right now I'm gonna go get some lunch at the Calf, and I've been trying to eat like healthier lately, so I'm gonna try to find something healthy, and I'll show you guys that because that should be interesting to see what I find there. And yeah, let's go to the Calf. the calf for having lunch, and as you could see, I had a salad and fruit, and it was actually good today. Like, it didn't taste old, it tasted great, and they had some good looking fruits. So I got a banana, even though I don't really like bananas, but we're gonna try to eat them. And then I don't really know what this is. It's like a apricot or like a peach or something, so I got that. So now I'm actually gonna do some homework and study, but I thought it would be kind of cool to give you guys some tips on how to be successful with school and like successful study tips. So how to get good grades, stuff like that. We all know I don't, but I have some good tips, so let's get to that studying. That is actually going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Doing something a little different here with like the how-to, so that's kind of fun, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, you can leave a comment down below saying that I should do more of those types of videos because I think they're fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found some of these tips useful to you, and you can use them throughout the school year to help you do better, get better grades, whatever. I mean, you probably already know them. It's just like a good reminder to like keep them in mind. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.